AMC 2017-12-3. AMC I think it's the 12th contest question 3. This is the question. Miss Carroll said that anyone who got all of the multiple choice questions correct would get an A on the exam. Which one of these statements does not follow logically? A. If Lewis did not receive an A, then he got all of the multiple choice questions wrong. B. If Lewis did not receive an A, then he got at least one of the multiple choice questions wrong. C. If Lewis got at least one of the multiple choice questions wrong, then he did not receive an A. D. If Lewis received an A, then he got all of the multiple choice questions right. If Lewis received an A, then he got at least one of the multiple choice questions right. So this is a solution or me just ranting and analyzing stuff. So for the first answer, or A, simply because you didn't get an A does not mean that you got all the questions wrong. So if you see here, he says all of the multiple choice questions. But Miss Carroll said that as long as you get that, just because that you get an A if you get all the questions right, but you could still get like one of the questions wrong, so you won't get an A. So this is false. And for B, you will only need an A if you get all of the multiple choice questions right. If you don't get other types of questions right. So, here for B, if Lewis did not receive an A, he got at least one of the multiple choice questions wrong. Which is also correct. Which is correct because Miss Carroll, or the teacher, said that you need all the questions right to get an A. So this is correct. And for option C, you get an A only if you get all of the multiple choice questions right. Sorry, I wrote Questinos. And so this is also right. And for D, the teacher has specifically said, for this is D, if Lewis received an A, he got all of the multiple choice questions right. So the teacher has specifically said, if you get all multiple choice questions right, you get an A. So this statement is also true. And for E, this is also correct because all of the questions correct is more than one question correct. And E is, if Lewis received an A, you got at least one of the multiple choice questions right. And to my understanding, all of the multiple choice questions right is more than at least one of the multiple choice questions right. And hold on. Conclusion. So therefore we can conclude that the choice that is not right or illogical is A. Yeah. That's